If you're hurt on the job in Louisiana, workers' comp is supposed to cover your medical bills and part of your lost wages, but delays can cost you big. To help you file a claim the right way, I asked one of our Dudley DeBosier attorneys to break down what you need to know.
Hi, I'm Robert Gluck, and I'm a workers' compensation attorney at Dudley DeBosier Injury Lawyers. So if you're hurt on the job, it costs you nothing to at least consult an attorney. If it's a minor injury that's not going to result in a significant amount of missed time, the attorney's probably going to tell you you don't need to hire somebody. If it's a severe injury that's going to result in a significant amount of missed time, the insurance company's got a team of professionals on their end working on the case, so it's probably in your best interest to get an attorney involved so that he and his or her staff can get involved and work to protect your benefits. The biggest myth about workers' compensation in Louisiana is that it's similar to a car wreck or another personal injury case, in that you can take your case in front of a judge or a jury and have them award you a lump sum of money for your damages. There's no legal mechanism to force a lump sum payment under workers' comp. However, many times the insurance company will want to settle your case, but when you should settle your case and for what amount, those are both questions that it's probably a good idea to consult an attorney about. In Louisiana, your employer cannot fire you directly as a result of filing your workers' compensation claim. However, if you miss an extended period of time from work due to the severity of your injury, your employer can let you go, but that should not affect your right to workers' compensation benefits. You were employed with the employer on the date you got hurt, therefore you are still entitled to benefits regardless of your job status at that point. So following a workplace injury, it's very important to see a doctor as soon as possible. That can be the doctor whom the employer sends you to, that can be your primary care provider, or that can be the emergency room. Whenever and wherever you can see a doctor as soon as possible, that's what you need to do so that you can begin documenting your accident and injuries immediately. One thing workers don't realize that they're entitled to under workers' comp in Louisiana is the right to choose their own doctor. So if you're hurt on the job, many times your employer will send you to the first available appointment, but you're under no obligation to stick with that doctor. You have the right to choose your own physician depending on which body parts you've injured, and many times, if you don't know what doctor to see, you consult an attorney who can help you out with that. So my number one tip for filing a claim without delay would be to begin documenting the accident and injuries as soon as possible. That includes not only documenting the primary or most severe injury, but all injuries. For example, if you've broken your arm on the job, but you also hurt your knee as well, it may just be bruised, you're going to want to let the doctor know about all your injuries so that you don't encounter issues down the road, delays with payments, treatment, things like that. And here at Dudley DeBosier, we're here for Louisiana and we're here for you.